Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss about how to create a GL code in a chart of account in our ERP system. This process helps in managing financial records efficiently. Let's get started. In the Access modules, navigate to the Financial Management System. Click on Definition. Select Define New GL Code, Chart of Account. This will open a list of all existing GL codes along with their descriptions. You can see multiple options here. You can edit existing code, you can create a new GL code, or you can delete the code. We will add new, click on new. While creating a new code here, we have to select the main code here, current assets. Next, subcode 1, cash in hand, subcode 2, cash in hand. Now click on new. A form will appear where you need to enter the details of new GL account. Fill in the following fields carefully. It will generate a new unique code for the account. Provide a meaningful name here, like in my case I have a laptop care of head office. Next, PL code. Select the profit loss code if it is PL code. If not sure about this, please select undefined. BL code. Select the balance loss codes if it is a balance sheet code. If not sure, select undefined. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid errors in financial reporting. Once all details entered, click on the update button. The system will refresh and your new GL code will be added to the list. You can verify it by searching in the GL code list or checking the tree view on the right side here. Like in our case, we just opened a case laptop care of head office. This is our new GL code. And you can also export the updated chart of accounts in different formats, like in PDF, in Excel, in documents, or in CSV file. This is useful for reporting and record keeping. After updating the new GL code successfully, for the chart of account report, navigate to the financial system, click on chart of account report here. You can see in detail here. You can also select short, click on print. There we go. We have the chart of account report here. You can see the code here we just generated in current assets. I hope we covered everything here regarding generating a new GL code. Still, if there is any query, please contact us. I will mention the contact number in the description. Thank you for watching.